If you can't cook, don't accept an engagement ring. Learn how to cook first before you bring out your finger. When you hear a young girl say, my best meal is Indomie, that's an advertisement of laziness. That's how to know lazy people. Ask them, what do you like? Indomie. That's laziness personified. The dean and the registrar, faculty of laziness. That is the person talking to you. Am I talking to somebody here? But you ask somebody, say, pounded yam with so and so soup. When you hear the person talk, you know somebody who is ready to spend time. That is a marriage material. When we say certain things, people think that we are personal. We are personal about it. But it's not true. Even though a man should also know how to augment and help himself once in a while, a woman is not wired to be a slave. A woman is not created and wired to be secondary or second-handed or second place or second fiddle. But no man should marry a woman who cannot cook. That is the truth. Because even if you don't eat, your children will eat. Even if your children don't eat, strangers will eat. Am I talking to somebody here? If you can't cook, don't accept an engagement ring. Learn how to cook first before you bring out your finger. Use your finger to cook before you stretch.